Are you ready to meet your new queens?
All right, here we go.
Let's begin with our third runner-up. Your third runner-up is candidate number eight, Margarette Briton.
To present the award for the third runner-up, we got Director Herbie Aguas, Representative Angelica Natasha Cole, and Ms. Dorothy Colgate. And the winner will receive 75,000 pesos in cash, a crown, a sash, and a bouquet.
This time, let us make our way for our second runner-up. And our second runner-up is candidate number 20, Jannel, Mendee, Nebria, Calleja.
To present the award for the second runner-up, we got Judge Jose Edwiniel Gilas, Board Member Denise Misolania, Attorney Mary Lou Duca Castillo, and Board Member Reynaldo Bragaiz. And the winner will receive 100,000 pesos in cash, a crown, a sash, and a bouquet.
Two down, three to go. And our first runner-up is candidate number 9, Mikki Angela Barcela.
To present the award for the first runner-up, we got Congresswoman Nika Ko, Mr. V. Ko, Engineer Dante Baclao, Board Member Dante Arandia. And the winner will receive 150,000 pesos in cash, a crown, a sash, and a bouquet.
Once again, congratulations to our runners-up. And now, 2 ladies left. And one of them will be our Miss Albay Tourism 2023. Therefore, the last woman standing will be crowned as Daragang Magayon 2023. Here we go.
Presenting the award for Miss Albay Tourism 2023, Director Herbie Aguas, Miss Charlene Boholano, Miss Dorothy Colge, Board Member Victor V. Ziga Jr., and Miss Philippines Earth 2023, Miss Ileana Marie Aduana. And the winner will receive 200,000 pesos in cash, a crown, a sash, and a bouquet.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Albay Tourism 2023 is candidate number number 16, Lienel, Navidad. And that means our Daragang Magayon 2023 is candidate number 2, Aliya, Clemenia, Rahman, Tohilla.
Congratulations once again to our Miss Albay Tourism 2023. And now, Albay! Let's all welcome your new queen, Daragang Magayon 20, to all our winners. And thank you so much, Albay, for this memorable evening. Happy Magayon Festival, everyone! I'm Nicole Cordobes, your host for tonight.
And I am Marco Gumabaw. See you all next year for another edition of The Search of Daragang Magayon 2024.
Good night!